Here is our list of the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles you can get right now. The Nintendo Switch 2 is a powerful upgrade to the original, maintaining its hybrid handheld and console design while improving nearly every aspect. It features a larger 7.9-inch 1080p screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a custom NVIDIA chip with DLSS, offering performance comparable to the Steam Deck OLED and Asus ROG Ally. It retains stock TV play and portability but sacrifices battery life, offering only about 2 hours of handheld use. Its flat design may feel uncomfortable without grips. Priced at $449, it's a premium device, less ideal as a secondary console but the best Switch available today. The Lenovo Legion Go is a powerful and feature-rich gaming handheld with some trade-offs. It boasts a large 8.8-inch 144Hz display, an AMD Ryzen 7 Extreme processor, and detachable controllers, running on Windows 11. While this offers flexibility and support for multiple game launchers like Xbox Game Pass, it also makes the device less user-friendly than SteamOS alternatives. The right controller's FPS mode mimics a mouse, adding unique functionality. However, the 2K screen often requires lowering resolution for better performance, reducing visual quality. Despite this, the Legion Go impresses with its ambitious design and strong hardware in a premium build. The Asus ROG Ally X is a significant upgrade over the original, offering a more ergonomic design, a larger 80Wh battery for extended playtime, a full-sized SSD, and double the RAM for faster performance. While it retains the same AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip and 1080p IPS display, the improvements make it a better choice for those with the budget. The 120Hz screen remains sharp and smooth, though the lack of an OLED option is a missed chance. Performance gains aren't dramatic, but overall, the Ally X delivers a premium handheld gaming experience, especially for newcomers to Windows-based devices. The Nintendo Switch OLED is the best handheld Nintendo has produced, thanks to its vivid 7-inch OLED screen that enhances visuals with perfect black levels, ideal for atmospheric games like Metroid Dread. It features several thoughtful upgrades, including a sturdier kickstand, slimmer bezels, improved speakers, and an Ethernet port on the dock for better connectivity. These enhancements elevate the gaming experience while retaining compatibility with Nintendo's extensive library of exclusive titles. Though its screen quality is rivaled only by the Steam Deck OLED, the Switch OLED stands out as the ultimate choice for fans of Nintendo's handheld gaming experience.